Let's go on and work another example identifying arithmetic sequences. Actually, let's work a couple. Well, we want to determine, and we'll let this be example A. So we'll let this be example A. And we want to determine if 2, 6, let's see, 10, 14, and 18, dot, dot, dot. Let's determine whether this sequence is arithmetic. And if so, let's see what's the common difference and then write the next two terms. So let's see. Here, term 1 is 2, term 2 is 6, term 3 is 10, term 4 is 14, term 5 is 18, and so forth. So let's take term 2 and subtract from it term 1. That'll get us off and running. So here I will have 6 minus 2, which equals to 4. Here I would have 10 minus 6, which equal to 4. Here I will have 14 minus 10, which equals to 4. Here I will have 18 minus 14, which also equals to 4. So what I can say, because I have a common difference, of 4, I can say yes, the sequence is arithmetic. Okay, I can say that. Now the next part asks me to find the actual next 3 terms. So if I see my difference is 3, by subtracting the first from the second, I can add my common difference. So I'm going to find my next 3. My next 3 terms. What I'm going to do is let's just go ahead and add 4 to my last term. So that's give me 18 plus 4. That's going to give me a term of 22. Okay. Then I'm going to add 22 plus 4. That's going to give me 26. Then I'm going to add 26 plus 4, and that's going to give me 30. So, questions asked, state whether the sequence is arithmetic. Let us know. So, by writing yes or no, we did that. And state what's the common difference. We said the common difference was 4. And write the next actually 3 terms, and we did get 22, 26, and 30. All right, let's look at example B. Now, I'm going to put a little bar here so we don't get in the way. So we have example B, and let's look at a -4, a -8, a -16, and a -32. So now we are back to the chore of determining if it's arithmetic. So if I take the first term and subtract it from the second term, what I will have, and this is very important that you see this, okay? I will have a negative 8 minus negative 4. Okay? So, if we look at that, now we see that a negative 8 plus 4 is going to give me a negative 4. Wow. Let's take a look at the next one. So now we have a negative 16 minus a negative 8. So, we look at that. That's going to be a negative 16 plus 8. And we get a difference of a negative 8. Ooh. Now we have a negative 32 minus a negative 16. That's going to give us a negative 32 plus 16, and that's a negative 16. None of these are constant. None of them. So if they're not common, then we have no common difference. So my first answer is not arithmetic. Well, if it's not, oh, I lost my whole train of thought looking at that arithmetic. Sorry. But if it's not, if we don't have that common difference that we so barely need, then the answer would be no, that it is not arithmetic. So now we could just put yes or no, but I'm going to just go ahead and put this out that it's not arithmetic. And now why, if the answer will come up, is because there is no common difference. Is no common difference. Okay? Well, that pretty much solves it. I mean, we looked at two different examples and we found out that one is just because we have a common difference and one is not. And you'll see both. So I have one more example that I want to take a look at, and that's how we describe an actual sequence. And then we'll put you to work.